Is it the other way? I have to open all my stuff. We have it here. Okay, we gotta relaunch the app here. Relaunch the app. Is there live stream live? It's live. Live. It still says. Oh, no mind. Doesn't matter. Let's look at the stream. Let's look at the channel. We're opening everything. Hello, hello. No corporate depression. Big smile. Everyone is happy. I'm smiling. I'm smiling. We pause it here. You don't have to. Okay, so we tested this. Let me see. This is actually what we made the last time. And wait, now you can't hear. We can't hear the music. That's because I didn't add it. Okay. Hold on. Okay. Cancer. Alright. Main scene. We don't have to watch. It's not here, guys. Yeah, display capture. It's this one, I think. Boom, like this. Boom. Nice. And then here we do small like this. Okay, so that's the music is over. We just quickly check here. We put this up here. Boom. Is there anything I'm missing? Yep. Mac audio. We don't need that. All chat alert. We just have the app idea. But maybe it's alert 22. Maybe it's a new one. So maybe the alert one is not even working. Browser alert 22. It's the one we use. Alert 22. Okay. Alert 22 at alert 22. And then video display alert 22 all chat app idea. That's the only one we're missing. App idea. App idea. Main screen. We pass to boom. Very good. Okay, and then we can delete this one. It's a little bit bigger on this one. Then we delete. Goodbye. Okay. It worked. Okay, so find the music quick. Gotta know this. That's me. Okay. We built this and then we also got it to work the last time. So we did something, very little app idea, but we had no idea what to build, so we just built. Okay, you have no idea, you build. So that's what we this, and then let me just check what we need to get it to work. So this was me just fixing my old program called Ghost Rider, and I want to implement Echo into Ghost Rider. So Echo, it's the new thing that we made, which is, it's called Echo because the point of it is that it echoes the text you want to be read out loud. So, and I thought, why not combine them into one? So one is, text to speech, the other one is speech to text, and then just. But there are some complications that we found out. We'll look into it. One complication is apparently I don't really understand, because there's a lot of apps like this where it's like speech to text, but Claude is suggesting if you make something like that people have their own API key. So I don't really know, because no one else is doing that. So I'm going into the dashboard. So I don't really know, because yeah, but it's not an issue we need right now. I got a follow last stream. What the fuck? Okay.
What? I made $0.03
last stream. The fuck? Making money. Okay. Let me just close all of this API so I don't leak anything. Don't leak. Don't leak. Great. We just see here stream manager. This we pause so we don't see it. We put it up here. This I don't care about. And then okay, I need to find Let's block bomb. So it's this one. I got a feeling that I can't erase. So this is Echo. We run it. It's start up. The program doesn't have a UI yet. So right now it just opens up here. You can do the different things. So it works like this. Like this, and then you do like that, and then what's the hotkey we put? Command and E. So the fuck. Command E. Wait, what if we remove that?
It goes like Nanana.
So you can hear it. It goes like Nanana. Or we can take something else like this. We go like this.
Hi, this is a test. Does it work?
Wow, pretty cool. So you highlight the text, you press on the hotkey you chose, boom. It's doing it, right? But apparently this doesn't work. Simplify with Gemini. So what that's supposed to do is it's supposed to take the text that you mark, highlight, and simplify it. Because the point is, you know how when you talk to an AI chat model and it just spits out like so much text? I don't know, it's just a problem that I feel like I always have. So I just want it to be like zoop, and then it like simplifies it, you know? And I'm really slow and bad at reading, so I just wanted something so I can simplify it and read it like. So that doesn't work right now, apparently. Okay, boom. Stop playback. I'm just gonna stop the playback. Doesn't seem like it really works. Ooh. What is the prompt? Can we see the prompt? So this is the prompt it gives Gemini when it has the text. Rewrite the following text in plain conversational English. Make it shorter and clearer while keeping on the meaning. Output only the rewritten text. No preamble, no explanation, no quotation marks. The output will be read out loud immediately. Text, and then it's the text that I copied, right? Okay, so we need to tell it that it doesn't work. So now we have to fix it, or we have to get our AI slave to fix it. So let's do that. No, I don't like this song right now. No, this is a good song. This is a long mix. Okay, so we have to tell him, fix it. Do I leak anything if I do this? I don't know. Who cares at this point, right? Who cares at this point, guys? File, open. I'm just gonna open Echo instead. Open Echo here. Okay. We got Echo open. Take this down a bit. Actually, I'm gonna open this here. Oh, this is the last stream. What? Oh shit, man. Oh, I didn't see your thank you for the heads up though. Probably Taylor is. Man, I'm just a fucking idiot, right? So if they target me, you know, dude, I got no money in my bank account, you know. So I got no money, I ain't got nothing. We ain't got no viewers, man, but I appreciate it. Appreciate it. I don't even know how the fucking GitHub shit works, man. I'm a GitHub noob. But I appreciate you stopping by, man. Like, goddamn it, man. Luckily, I haven't linked to my GitHub anywhere, so it would be pretty impossible for people to find my GitHub. But I think there's actually like GitHub shit committed with like some APIs, you know, and you know, it is what it is, but at least I got a $10 limit on my API key, so yeah. But I appreciate you, man. Thanks for the heads up. That's showing up. They usually send it via YouTube chat, but so what would they send? They would send a link or what, and then you press, it looks like a GitHub link and you press it, and then you're fucked or what? Don't download anything or add anyone. Okay, yeah, I appreciate it, man. This is the, now you sent me a link, right? Okay, no, I'm kidding. I appreciate it. Alright, so what was I doing? They send a link, you click it, you download it, it's an exe and you get obliterated. Alright, thanks. I mean, man, I appreciate you saying that. I've been streaming at this point for like 15 years. I would fucking never press any weird link in chat anyways, so. But yeah, man, thanks for the heads up. I got distracted now. God damn it. Wait, is it behind here? No, it's not. Oh, so the... Oh, wait, the chat is on top of me, man. It looks kind of shitty. Hold on, I fix it. See, yeah, thank you, man. I appreciate it. Thanks for the heads up, dude. Thanks for stopping by. It's because the chat's supposed to be like this. Here it's fine, just like this. I fixed, guys. That's pretty cool. It actually works from the YouTube chat. So what if I type something in my Twitch chat? Do I have any Twitch enjoyers? Because I don't think it works on my own account. Test. Oh, it does. Okay, cool. So I guess it works. Pretty cool. So I can just look at my OBS for the chat, actually. Okay, that makes things easier. Then I don't need to have to constantly change around. It's just so small. It's really annoying. I don't know. I don't fucking know, guys. Alright. Alright. Let's see here, guys. I mean, it's kind of leaking like folders on my PC, but I don't think that matters too much. There's no IP addresses, there's no fucking keys. We're chilling, right? I just tried testing the Simplify with Gemini, and it doesn't seem to be working. The normal mode in Echo works, but not the Simplify with Gemini. I should have put in Gemini API key, so it shouldn't be that. Keep in mind that I am currently live streaming, so you can't output any sensitive information in our chat, please. Smiley face. All right. I'll keep it off the screen and cute emoji. Nice, thanks, man. Thanks for not doxing. Okay. Is any of this sensitive information? I don't know. Boom. Go ahead, man. Where's my phone? Hey Siri. Oh, it's fucking here. I'm too late. Because I'm using my phone as camera. What if I used my work phone as a camera? Then I would still be able to use my normal phone. Because I can't like look at my text right now. If my girlfriend messages me, I can't see it. By the way, guys, I have been at work all day. I'm a tired, slit, as we say in Danish, man. I'm slit. So if I'm not as high energy today as last stream, guys, that's why, right? Let's see what it says here. Root cause not your key. Google moved Gemini off of the free tier, so the API returned blah blah. Immediately on every the error was happening. Fix, swap the hard-coded model. I tested both against your key. Nice. Okay, quit it. Relaunch Python. Let's see. All right. Let's try it out. So let's find something to simplify, guys, shall we? What if I just simplify this, actually? That would be... If we find something else. It's annoying, it's like this. I don't know why it's like this. See, that's much better. Software engineer. Wow, what a nice person. Just, but there's a troll phase. There's even a troll phase. What, this guy? How does this guy have 143,000 subscribers? And no content. Did I get hacked from pressing on his YouTube channel? Who knows? Only God knows. Only God can judge me. Alright. Alright. Let's find something. Let's find something, a long text that we can test it on. News article. We're just finding a random. I'm pressing the first thing here, obviously. It's about Donald Trump, of course. Not sponsored. That's just how it is nowadays. Everything's about Trump, huh? Reopen my program here. Alright, it seems to be up and running, guys. You to get rich quick. Alright, we're pausing the music so we can see this. I'm showing you guys. Let's see if it works. First we do the normal version here. Are you ready?
U.S. President Donald Trump descended the steps of Air Force One in Beijing on Wednesday evening, greeted with pomp.
Okay, it works. Let's speed it up a little bit and see if it works. But can I just do the speak clipboard?
$0.
$0. It's calling me broke? Why did it say $0?
$0.
The fuck?
U.S. President Donald Trump descended the steps of Air Force One in Beijing on Wednesday evening, greeted with pomp and pageantry ahead of a high-stakes summit with his Chinese counterpart, Xi Jinping. During his two-day visit, the global superpowers are expected to discuss tariffs, competition,
so it works,
the war in Iran, and America's relationship with Taiwan.
Quicker.
Trump returns to a more assertive China than the one he visited in 2017.
Yep, fine. Cool, man. Cool story, Bob Ross. Let's try the moment of truth here. If this works, we end the stream. Okay, no, we don't, but that would be cool.
President Trump arrived in Beijing Wednesday evening to a grand welcome.
It
Part
works.
of an important meeting with Chinese President Xi Jinping. Over the next 2 days, they're set to discuss trade tariffs, tech rivalry.
Wow, it actually worked, huh? That's pretty neat. Okay, so the next question is, then what? Because now everything I have thought of works. So then we have to figure out what's the next step here. What's the next step? Money talks. We have to figure out the next step here. Okay. Great job, man. It actually works one shot. So I'm kind of wondering, what do you think the next functionality is that we can build into this? Obviously, I like that it's not like a real program right now, and it just sits at the top of the Mac like a little icon, because it's supposed to be like a program in the back, so there's not much to interact with. But like, I would of course still like it to have a traditional settings menu or something where you can do things, especially if we incorporate it with Ghostwriter. Also, we have to come up with a combined name then, because we have the Ghostwriter and then the Echo feature. So what do you think the next step is here? Alright, we gotta turn on some lights because I'm actually getting depressed. Money talks. Money talks. Dirty cash, I want you. Dirty cash, I need you. Whoa. Money talks. Money talks. Dirty cash, I want you. Alright. Focus up. I should also... I could slick my hair back all the way with some gelé, and I would look like a real salesperson maybe. But that's horrible. I don't know what just happened. God fucking damn it, guys. Yep, that's what we're working with. Okay. We're trying chat. This is, yeah. We need the jelly. Gel. Fuck. Okay, no gel. He's trying to put it back manually while my bot is vibe coding for me. Coding. I'm vibing and the bot is coding. That's why it's called vibe coding, right? The human is vibing and the bot is coding. Okay, it's terrible. It's terrible, chat. Let's find some new music. For the vibes. That's pretty neat. Maybe I could code something so like it comes up on my screen. Can you do that maybe? A transparent chat on my screen so I can see when people are... That probably wouldn't be too... Okay, it's asking me something. Let me write that down, guys. Let me write that down. Code a transparent chat for YouTube and Twitch that works on Mac. That shows on my screen. Maybe that works, I don't know. Okay, which direction should we tackle next? This is what I love about it. I don't even have to know what I want to do next. I can just be like, what's the next step here? What should we do? You know, I have maybe this and this thought idea. I'm not really sure. And then it just asks some questions, basically. You don't even gotta know. Which direction should we tackle next? Unified. Build a real Pi object settings window with tabs, then fold Ghostwriter into the same. Get into the groove, girl, you got to move. Or echo depth features, stay focused on echo, add a history panel. I think we should focus on echo for now. Because I feel like trying to merge the two, it could go very wrong and yeah, fuck everything up basically. Make Echo a real signed app? No, bro. The smallest possible win, a second hotkey that flips the simplified toggle without opening the menu. No, I don't want that. I'm working on an app called Echo. So first I created one called Ghostwriter, which is basically, you know, you speak and then it turns into text. So now I'm making the opposite, so that's why it's called Echo. So if you get a long text, you can just mark the text and then it reads it back to you. And then I added a simplified version so it can simplify it and make it shorter. So that's pretty cool, I think. And then I want to combine the two, but I want to develop more in-depth stuff before I combine them. Do you guys think that's a good idea? I don't know. I just feel like it's confusing if there's two hotkeys. Like, I just want it to be like quick and simple, right? So isn't it more simple if there's just like one hotkey and then you change it in the menu? I don't know. Maybe there should be a hotkey. There should be a hotkey for stopping the playback. So, but then there's like three hotkeys all of a sudden. I don't know. Let's do this. The smallest possible win. This. We're gonna do this. We're gonna just do the second hotkey thing. And then we need a third hotkey to stop it. That's the most important. Let's see if there's anything. I'm just gonna search for this. Transparent Twitch and YouTube chat. Transparent Twitch overlay chat. Twitch and YouTube chat integrates together. Okay. Cool. If this works on Mac though, does it? Download the latest. This is cool and what I want if it works on a Mac. Does it though? Does it though? Nah, it's for Windows. .NET application for Windows. What if I feed Claude this and I say make it for Mac? That would probably be the easiest thing. Test? Wait, I didn't see if it works. Meow! I thought you were not gonna be here today. I fixed the thing with the music. So, I mean, well, my music keeps stopping, but that's because I don't have autoplay on. So that's on my end. I finished your course early. Nice. Do you have tomorrow off as well? I'd see what this is saying. Oh, I have to ask you something, Meow. Since you're like a bit more than like a fucking like you're actually like a real coder guy. Do you think there's any problem with having this shit on the screen? Like, you know, usually it's just like this is just like some folders and shit locally on my PC. Like there shouldn't be anything that's like sus in this chat, right? Do you think? I mean, I don't really know what the fuck. Is this just like a Python command and then like the path? No? Okay, yeah. Because I'm a fucking idiot, man. So I don't know. I just, yeah, just in case I make enemies, you know. Okay, another question. Do you think AI would be able to handle, like, so for example, there's this that's like a transparent Twitch and YouTube chat, but it's for Windows. Do you think if I like provide it with the code, can it figure out like how to make it for a Mac? Because, you know, I'm that MacBook pleb right now. Yes? You think it can do that? Because that would be like, that's maybe a first priority, honestly. I wonder if it can see the code just from like an internet link. It should be, okay. Ah, it's the wrong browser. I can use this. Can you rewrite this code so it works on Mac? It's a simple, I don't know if you call it a program, that displays a Twitch channel, chat, and YouTube chat transparently on your screen. Smiley. Here's the GitHub link. Let's see. Okay. I make sense that you have to work tomorrow because I think the holiday we have, it's like related to Denmark or something. So I think that's why. I think that is why, sir. I got it to work though, so now I'm like figuring out what I should do next. I mean, I think let's just see if it can pump this out really quick so I can use that. Because then I can just see my chat and it's like, wow. Then I can just have my OBS open. But yeah. Something that annoyed me a little bit is that the Claude code, so like the AI chatbot thing, you know, it told me if you make something like this, did we talk about this the last time? I don't remember. But for example, you know, if you do something like this, where you use like OpenAI API, it said that you can't ship that with like your API key. People have to bring their own OpenAI API. But then I'm confused because I know that there's other programs. Help! I'm back. Oh my god. Refresh. Hello? God damn. What happened? No, it's my internet. I don't know why it just, yeah. It susses out. I don't know why. But I'm on Wi-Fi. Am I on Wi-Fi, dude? Hold on. I should be on wired. Oh my god. I am. Okay. I am on. Okay, so I'm gonna disable the Wi-Fi. Hold on. Are we live still? Yeah, I think so. I think we're good. My phone! The camera! What happened? No! Hold on. My camera. Oh no. Wait, I forgot how how is it that I do this? How do I do this? Okay, hold on. I mean, I don't know why it's doing this. It's kind of annoying. Pause. What if I just resume it right now? Maybe it doesn't work because I disabled the Wi-Fi, but my phone is 5G. 5G. Okay. I guess I have to have it on for it to work. Whatever, man. I just don't want to confuse the computer having like both like wired and Wi-Fi on. I don't know, but I mean, yeah, you can't see me, I know. Please work. Please, please. Okay, bro. Man. Shit. Alright, alright. Audio, no, it's not this. I had one where I figured out how to do it. It's because I have to prompt it somehow in the settings, but I don't remember where it is, man. I think it's accessibility. Yep, it's here somewhere, I think. Nope, it's not accessibility. Here. Wait. This? Oh, I don't know. Scuffed stream. Okay, fuck it. I'll just have to ask it again. Okay, hold on. I'll read what you said in a sec. App headset mic issue. App iPhone. What's this one? Wait. So okay. Settings general. Oh my god. I'm back. I'm back. I'm back. OBS crashed out of nowhere. Okay, I have to charge my phone. At least it comes and says it. That's pretty nice. That's pretty neat. Okay, you said something. You've been having internet issues again. I can hear you. No, I keep saying it. It's because in the olden days of Twitch, like if a stream effed, then you wouldn't know it unless you refresh the browser. So that's why I'm like, refresh. Yeah. There's already an extension for that. For the effing or the chat thing that we're doing? I thought they just like fixed it on Twitch or something, so it like auto something. I'm not a software developer. Okay. Cool. I'm not a Twitch consumer anymore, so but maybe I'll look into it at some point. Okay, so you were saying server overflow? I don't know, man. When I came home, I just had Wi-Fi issues before I started streaming, and then I don't know why I hadn't thought so far that I didn't realize it was going to affect the stream because it's been so long since I've streamed, so I don't have that, you know, oh, you need internet to stream. You know, I'm just like, I press a button and it works. Lol. The Wi-Fi company blocked you for calling too much. That's fucked up. Okay, so let's see what it says, man. Rewrite this. Yep, I'll help you. Na na na. Smiley face. It's built on .NET. That's right. The idea is that simple. Load or cap chat or any chat URL in a transparent, always on top frame window. Complete working Mac version. It supports. Run it on your Mac. So we agree. Can you see? Can you see? This I have to write in my terminal, correct? Ugh. So I need to like pip this PyQt Qt6. I have to get this because then it's so much easier reading chat than this. Wait, what? But how do I get this? You have to run this. Oh, but I need to download that first, bro. Right? Open an IDE. Can I not just download it, man? Yup. For combined Twitch and YouTube, generate a link at cyan.live, pick cyan in the drop down, paste in the URL. Okay. Seems simple. So you could do it with Kick too, maybe? We're not streaming to Kick right now because every time I stream on Kick, someone says, God, you look like a loser, fuck you, haha. Trans, like, I don't know. They only say bad thing on Kick, I swear to God. Or they're a bot. Actually. If you want a real app bundle, okay, sure. I don't care. As long as I don't like leak. Yet. We downloaded it and this just runs it with Python, no? Yeah, it does. Boom. Hackerman. Copy. I don't know what I got on my desktop. Let me look. Jesus Christ, man. I just leaked 2 people's names. Fucking idiot. Okay, I got it on my desktop. Maybe I'm bumping in pretty common, so it's shown. Oh, it's warm. This dock I have for my computer. This one down here. God damn, it's burning up, guys. This right here. Okay. So then we go to the desktop. Are we on the desktop? No, we're not. Bro. Now we're on desktop. So then. Pick cyan. Oh, okay. Doesn't work, bro. Get trolled. Pick cyan. Generate a link at cyan.live. Doesn't work, man. Okay. Cyan.live doesn't seem to work, so I can't do that. Okay, I can try and let me just put my... Yeah, thank you. Which approach do you want to easiest support both? But is Streamlab free? I don't think it's free though. I'm pretty sure it's not free. Literally what I tried using. 2 stacked windows, 1 Twitch. No. I don't mind Streamlabs, but I don't think it's free. It has to be free. Smiley. Tell him what's up. Bro, it's not free. Oh my god. I swear to God, it's not free. I'll check. Because I tried getting that to work. I'll check. Okay. Okay, if you do it like this, I guess it's... Okay, so what do I have to do? Get the URL, paste it into the overlay app. Wait, so... we do custom then? Okay. This might work. So where is it now? Chat. Where did you go? Oh, I'm over here. No, where did I go? I don't know, chat. Say something, I'm giving up on you. I don't know what I did. I had to close it, it didn't work. Okay, hold on. Oh my god. And now it doesn't work. Fail to set cookie. Okay. Oh, but it's... Okay, whatever. But it's still here. Chat overlay. It looks really weird. Okay. Who's saying this? Is it you, Meow? Why do I see it like that? What? It just says... That's weird. I closed my Twitch. I don't know where it is. Did I close Twitch? It's here. I found it. No, it's someone else. It's not Meow. F? Okay. Welcome to the stream. You just have a very weird name. I thought it was a bug. Welcome, sir. It's working as intended. Alright, now we can continue on with our journey. Computer language. Yeah, that was really weird. Do you see it double now then? Yeah, you do. Hold on. Boom. Now it's just once. Because this is like, look, it's like a program. So it's wow. And I can just wow. But I can't really make it bigger though. Oh, it disappeared. Okay, I don't know how I... No, I don't know how to get it back. Whatever. I didn't know pressing on that would do so I can't move it around. Whatever. Leaked. Okay, no, it's not. It's just random shit. It's just a GitHub. I'm just trolling. Okay, so because it's like transparent here, I can't press. That's kind of annoying though. Someone got banned. Oh, he got banned before he even spoke. Lol.
Is there anything here that's being leaked, guys?
Don't think so. Alright, so we got that to work. That's pretty cool. Now we can continue on what we're actually doing. Cool. Wait, I don't know if it works here though. Test. Oh, it should work because it's just from Streamlabs. So, yeah, it does work. Cool. Mass Fox. Wait, I can, okay. That's kind of annoying because then I can't press on anything here actually. I need to, yeah. I need to not press on that little thing because then I have no clue where it is. Should put it over here instead. Cool! Yeah, so now it's over here. It's just a bit annoying that it's like, it's transparent, but I can't click on anything like behind it. So, yeah, it's whatever. I mean, it's cool. I guess it works for both YouTube and at least I can like see where it is so I can, yeah, you know, whatever. All right. What were we doing? Let's get back to what we were actually working on. Hold on. Don't look at my eye, it's so itchy. I know you're not supposed to rub your eye, but it's so itchy. Oh. But I closed, okay. I don't care, my eyes are getting annoying. Okay, hold on. I have to turn up the music because I'm sleeping here. The Twitch VOD, it doesn't get copyrighted because there's no music in the VOD. So there's music in the YouTube VOD, but it's probably gonna be muted. So you can pick and choose. Okay, let's see. So we did this. Back to work, guys. No, we're not using this. We're using only VS Code. So what's it saying? Okay, I changed this, blah, blah, blah. One thing to test on stream. The first time you hit this, it may need a moment. Pinput is registering 2 listeners now instead of 1. I don't know what Pinput is. Echo and Ghost Rider combo question is still on the table. Yeah, but it's gonna take a while, so we gotta relax with that, I think. I'm just talking to my chat bot here, guys. Okay. I guess we just fire it up and we see if the it changed the icon, and if is it actually updating the changelog? I could lift you up. Let me just check for sensitive, very sensitive information. Added second hotkey, new default binding, flips, simplicity off and on, menu bar reflects state, when simplified is off, when on, renamed hotkey, submenu hotkeys, new method, did. Great! It's actually doing what I asked it to. Cool. How amazing. Let's test it. So this is with simplified. So it's like this or like this. So let's try it. See if it works.
For the stream, the first time you hit Command-Shift-E, macOS might take a second to recognize the new shortcut. If it doesn't work, just try it again. !P.
Okay, and then raw mode. It doesn't work because it's not in focus. Oh, it's because I'm stupid. It's because I don't know what they do. It's because this is the toggle and this is... Okay, yeah, I get it. Okay. See, I already don't know what my program does.
One thing to test on stream. The first time you hit E, macOS may need a moment to recognize...
Yep. It's because... Okay, yeah. It's because I thought that it had made it so, like, Command-Shift-E was simplified and Command-E was raw. But that's not what it did. It did so Command-E, it's to hear it, and Command-Shift-E, it's to change the two modes. So, one button to play and one button to change. I thought it was... That makes sense, actually. I am happy about that. Cool, cool. Okay, it makes sense and it works. Cool, cool, cool. So, then what? Is it possible to add it so if it's speaking and you press Command E, it will stop? Or is that too complicated to do with the same hotkey? Because I think that would make most sense. Okay, vibing. Pulling against the... quit. Okay, let's see if that works then. That would be very cool. Oh, this is the other one. My bad. Why do we have Xcode? Oh, it's this. It's a change luck. Oh, it's this, yeah. Hackerman. We can close this. I just gotta. I hate that I have to run this command thing. I have to do the same thing as Ghostwriter. Okay, let's see.
One subtle edge case work.
It works. Okay. It's a bit slow. Maybe it's because it's not in focus. Let's try again.
Here's a small detail to be aware of. If you press Command plus E, and then press it again quickly while the request is still...
Okay, it works. I think it's just... It needs to be in focus, so if I press... Do I have to turn down my microphone a little bit? It's like I'm yelling. It needs to be in focus, so if I do Command E and I get it... I hear it out loud, then I can't like do it again. I have to like press back into the window to make sure that it's like in focus. Which I don't know if you can fix, because this VS Code is in focus, then I press the hotkey, and then I guess of course it focuses like the script, and then so that's why. Okay. It's the ultimate feeling. Okay, good job, man. Smiley face. So that works now. So what do you think we should work on next? I don't like how I have to double click on the command file and it runs a terminal for it to be open and active. But I don't have a custom icon like the Ghostwriter yet. Do you have any ideas for an icon? And how can we do that? Otherwise, you have other ideas on what we should work on instead. The reason why I'm postponing merging Ghostwriter and Echo is because I think it might be a lot of trial and error, and I just want some small success hits, W's right now. Boom. You know what? Boom. Not what I want to do. Boom. Just go. I don't want to prove shit. Claude is my right hand. Do whatever you want, buddy. The only problem right now is when you're vibe coding like this, it's like you can't really use the program we're creating, I suppose. I'll generate a blah blah blah, build the tool first. Facet path. Build the tooling first, icon later. I don't know, man. Small as possible, win, don't bundle, just change So it launches Echo detached. Sure. What is this? I don't know. While we're here, should we also set up login item launching? Yo, what is that? What the fuck is that, man? Keep manual launching for now. Can the real software developer please stand up? Please stand up. Oh, damn it, man. I don't know what to do. Is there an adult present? What is login item launching? Hmm. Okay, so that's what it means with login. That's okay. So it means that when I like open my computer, no, I don't want that because I'm still like changing stuff and I have to constantly like, yeah. Okay, I'm a fucking idiot. Oh, not that you can really use that for anything, but I think we should just change that. Okie dokie. Can you, what do you do? So, okay. Hold on, guys. Do 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 do. Okay. I'm gonna try and, oh my god, I just opened it and then I'm gonna find some chill music. Guys, I'm not a Trump supporter. This was to test my program, right? So please, no rich. No rich, please. No rage. No rage. Right. What does it say? Quit your current echo. Yep, I will. This is echo? Yes. Later. Okay. What you got? Echo.app. In the Echo folder, it's a real Mac app. And it treats it as one. You can drag it to applications. It's this one. I guess. It's just called applet. LUL. Get hacked. It's open now? It's echo. Oh. Double click. Okay. Command Shift E. It's interfering with something now. I don't know what it's interfering with, but it's doing something in... It's not working. I closed it. Okay. What do I even have open here? What's this? What about this? I don't even know what it is. Oh my god, it's my chat. But it's open 2 places or what? Like... Yeah, it is. Okay. Oh, this music fucking sucks. Is this an ad? No, it's not. What's a logo we can use for Echo? What are you building? Hello! Well, right now, Omar, it's a very simple app because I didn't really have many ideas. So, it's quite simple. You know Whisper Flow, where you can talk and then it transcribes it and then it puts it into text and then it's like that. So I first started up making like basically that, but a lot cheaper because I didn't want to pay for the subscription. That's like 15, 20 euros or whatever. And then I basically wanted to make the reverse. So basically text that gets spoken to you and then like have like a simplified version. Because I don't know, I talk to like a lot of different AI chats. So sometimes it just spits out like a ton of text and I read really slowly. So I basically just wanted to be able to like mark that, press a button, and then it like simplifies it and it reads it to me. And yeah, so for now it's very, very basic. It's just that. But you know, I'm open for ideas, and as I get like more, as I run into problems or things that are like annoying, I'm expecting that we can eventually build something more meaningful. Like, because I have never released an app yet, so it's like it has to be something quite simple. It has to be something like this, you know. I can't start out with having like this crazy huge app when I've never made an app before, you know. So right now my goal is just to like actually build something and then release it. Like maybe not even for money, just like actually release it, you know. But there's some problems, and I mean that's good because then you learn. Because all of these simple things that I made, well, I didn't make it, the AI did. But they're using OpenAI and Google Gemini APIs, but apparently you can't really release stuff with that. So then I don't know what you would do. Like, so that's, then people have to bring their own API, or then I don't know what you do. Yeah. Because if they bring their own API, there's no cost for me, right? The code just has to be there and then they paste the API. Which would be good, but then it's not as seamless, it's not as easy to use. So yeah. Yeah, so right now it doesn't work after we made it into an app. So I don't know why that is. I want like a more like yeah, I don't know. It doesn't work right now. After you created it into a Mac app, it doesn't actually work anymore. So can you figure out why that is? Also, just like talking to the AI, because I'm not like a software developer. I don't know like the, you know, the terminology. I don't know what to tell it. And I guess that's also like a learning curve that you, as you do it more, you learn that, you know, because then it says something, or it's a problem within the mainframe, you know, or like have to investigate the authentication handshake, you know, but then you like learn those things. It's slow learning. Okay, maybe that's just that. Let's see.
You need to add Echo.app in two spots.
So not works.
First, in the accessibility pane. Then, in input monitoring, which is right below it in the same privacy and security menu.
Okay. Generate a minimal modern icon for an app. Okay. Create a minimal modern app icon for an application called Echo. The purpose, oh my god. Okay, hold on. Generate an minimal modern app icon for an app called Echo. The app's feature is taking text and reading it out loud. Do you have any ideas of the app icon? So I'm gonna give that to Gemini, not Claude, of course. And just see what it creates, because right now the icon is pretty boring. I don't really have any ideas. The Ghost Rider icon I made, I kind of like. Well, I didn't make it, but sound wave speech bubble, sonic E monogram, text to speech arrow, a single sleek arrow forming a curve. I don't understand. An arrow forming a curve, so like. Let's try the first one. Let's see what it makes. Let's see what it creates. Oh, 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 oh. No, I don't like that. That looks like so many other apps, right? I don't know. It is what it said, though. Your message is very long. What are you saying? If you want to find what's wrong, start by having the app created in, then tell it to use Chrome Dev MCP to inspect the editor problem and correct the code. Chrome DevTools MCP is designed for inspecting, debugging, and modifying live browser session. Okay. Is there any problem creating an app in React if you're on a Mac? Like, I don't know. I'm gonna be honest and say I don't know. Because I am in a situation where I am on a MacBook. Some people like it, some people don't. I mean, I don't know. I knew I was gonna probably live stream, but try to design 2 instead. I listened to this song a bit too much. I don't wanna. No, okay. Now, you creating anything yourself? Shit, what's your name? Omar El Cal. Shit, I probably butchered that. Ooh, this sounds better. I like this. I think I want it like around this, but maybe it's a bit low for you guys. So I'm gonna turn it up the music a bit. I don't know. I just don't want it to like, I don't want it to like overpower or like. Okay, this looks so bad. This is better, but it's still boring. Yep. Download it. like that. Okay, so what did you say? Great, it works now. I'm kind of unsure on how we should proceed. One of my viewers told me that if we run into some problems with the app, it would make sense to recreate the app in React.js and then use Chrome DevTools MCP to inspect the running app and be able in that way to identify the problem and correct the code. Would that make troubleshooting easier in the future? Let's see what he says. I appreciate all the feedback and the tips though, guys. We already have twice the amount of viewers this stream on the YouTube stream that we had the last stream. Save and just go back to the stream. Let's see what he said. Honest answer, your viewer is half right, half wrong, and the half they're right about is worth stealing without doing the rewrite. Why the rewrite I suggested wouldn't work. Echo can't be pure React.js web app. Browsers are deliberately sandbox. They cannot put an icon. Yeah, true. Okay, listen for when Safari or any other app is focused. Read out the text you selected in Notes, Slack. Play audio cleanly when no browser tab is open. Electron? The debugging argument examined honestly. Chrome DevTools is a genuinely great debugger for UI bugs. Look at the bugs when exactly hit. We've exactly hit an echo last over an hour. I mean, so far he's solving everything one shot, so it's pretty chill actually. Yeah, true. Echo's bugs surface is mostly system integration. Okay. Yeah. Cool. I appreciate the feedback though. As I said, I kind of have no idea, so I'll take it. I don't know how to do this, but we will do it sometime. It's not this that we wanted to do. No. Below is your current API access that is used in the URL of all your token. Okay. Yes. Great. It's fine. I had to do that because I leaked it earlier. Like the moron I am. This is a new one. Wow, it looks crazy. Okay, if anyone is in chat, can you send a test message, please? Please. Please, please. Okay. Wait, what is this? Oh yeah, of course. I screwed this up too. Oh my god, I have to reopen it. Streamlabs. Alert box. Yes. Properties. Wow, it got so much more advanced. Dashboard. Chat. Tomorrow, guys, I will have long, energized stream though, okay? I don't want this enabled. Disable. Nice. Okay, I think we fixed that. Cool, cool. Sure. Okay. No. Okay, yeah, fine, whatever. What do you think we should work on next? So, I got a scuffed icon created that I can put into the folder so you can update Echo's icon. But besides that, it would be cool. How would we easiest merge Ghostwriter and Echo, and what should we call it? Parrot. So it thinks that we should call it Parrot. What the fuck? That's a weird name. What should we call the merged app? Parrot, Voicebox, or Quill? Definitely not Parrot. I mean, it is memorable, but I think Voicebox or Quill sounds cooler. Voicebox. It's a box that handles your voice in and out, safe, professionally. Yeah. Quill. Literally feel that pairs with Ghostwriter Echo, but it leans with the writing. I don't know what Quill means, so Parrot. I don't like Parrot. It makes sense because it's like, you know, parrots here, they speak. Yeah. Easy to imagine icon. Yeah. I mean, it is really easy to make like a parrot. I don't know. Maybe we should just go with parrot. Combined app name. I'm asking my girlfriend. Oh, I'm getting so tired, guys. I feel like I just started streaming though. God damn it. I'm getting so tired. My contacts have been annoying me when I was even at work. So it's like, I mean, it feels the same right now. So it's not like it's gotten worse or anything, but it's just kind of like, I don't know. Parrot is definitely more memorable and something that people would remember. But it's like, do they need to remember it though? I don't know. Fuck, I don't know. I think voice box definitely sounds cooler, but you're right, parrot would be way easier to create an icon for, and also people would remember it very easily. Are you ready to start the merge after the icon swap? Yes. Keep the small W streak, swap the icon, polish echoes logging, save the merge for tomorrow. What do you guys think? Maybe we should just save the merge for tomorrow because I'm like tired and stuff. It says I've been streaming for an hour. That's not true. The stream crashed. Oh, frick. God, I also need some like, what is it? DC. You can get some like disconnect protection, but I think you gotta pay for that. That's gotta be next month. I got no money left this month. God damn. I'm juiced out. I think that's the way to go. I just don't know what to work on more than on Echo, honestly. Okay. Oof. Yeah, I might get this icon thing to work and then just call it a night, guys. I'm feeling really drained. But tomorrow is an off day, so that means it's not an off day for streaming. It's an off day from work. So that means, yeah, that means I'll wake up, you know, I'll eat something, I'll get my coffee, I'll get dressed and stuff, get ready. And then I'm pretty much going to be back on, I think. Maybe I'll play like a little bit of Marvel Rivals. But yeah, I think we can get a good long session in tomorrow. and we'll see if we get Parrot, or whatever we'll call it, a voice box, ready. I don't think we can get it fully ready tomorrow, but if I spend a lot of time on it, we could probably like merge the two so it's just like one app, and then we'll look into if we feel like there's missing any features or anything, and then yeah, then I guess we'll figure the API thing out. If you can't really do it unless you have like your own huge API processing thing or whatever, I mean, then we don't really have a choice than to just like ship it and then people provide their own API. But that would just kind of suck though. It would be kind of boring. Okay. No, API error. Wait, what? What does that mean? Oh, it's because it's trying to do something. Okay. Can you just, okay. I don't need you to change anything about the icon. I just need you to like use the PNG I put there so we can test it out with that. It doesn't matter that it looks trash right now because we'll change it tomorrow anyways. I have to check something about my account because I think it's gonna rebuild soon. But your boy is broke like for this month out, and it's only halfway through the month, but I actually just got like no money left actually. So I gotta check like when Claude is okay. Thank God it renews on the 26th of May. Thank God. It's basically at the end, so that should be fine. What did it do? Why did it do this? Compiled and installed. Now I need to bust, which is aggressive, but reusing. Touch the app and refresh Docker. What touch? What does it mean, touch? Pop-up and finder, look at Echo. It should now show your scuffed. Okay, that's why he opened it. No, it's not using the scuffed one. But is it because it's way too big? I think it is. I think we have to do something. Okay. I think it's because the ratio or like the resolution of the PNG is way off. What's the preferred? 100 times 100? 100. Okie dokie. 24. iOS icons. Exactly, dude. Yep. Great. Okay, so that's a bit whatever. It's not, oh yeah, whatever. It's not fully. I can't even do transparent background. That's crazy, huh, guys? Okay. We'll just do it like this, and then hopefully it makes it like, yeah. It's scuffed, it's fine, it's whatever. We download it. It is what it is. Move. It's downloaded the new one. Yep, God, it looks very bad. Okay. Copy here. Echo, paste. Fuck. Okay, so I re-uploaded it in the resolution that you told me to. It's still called scuffed underscore icon. So fix it. Let's see if we can fix it. And then if it works, I think we'll just F off. We'll F off for the day. Yesterday we did 3 hours and 25, and today, see, oh, 2 hours already. Okay, it acts as one stream on YouTube. That's pretty cool. Done, no padding, bum bum bum. Okay, I'll try and open it, but to be clear, I still have to double click on the Echo application file, right? Because it still shows the other icon. Quit. It's still open. No. Trick to verify the app actually has a new icon. Okay. Guess we gotta open a turn in the moment. Okay. I guess we gotta open another one. Okay, I don't know. what I just did. I only meant to paste one of them. Pasted them all. Okay, it's still not working. God freaking damn it. Kill all duck. Oops. Kill all duck, right? And then kill all finder. But it's still here. Interesting. How do we get it to work with the other one? Ghost Rider. No, it's because it's a, okay, I think it's because it's not an icon file. Is it maybe because it's a .png file, the one I put in and I want you to use as the icon, and it's not an icon file, that you cannot get it to work? Question mark. That's probably why. Yeah, what, okay, it just opened it. Why did it just do this? PNG is exactly the, no. Yeah, I just opened the scuffed one. If you see your scuffed icon in the preview, the install is correct and the finder is just lying to you with the cached thumbnail. Click this in the finder, command I, get info. Maybe the silence is dangerous. Often forces a fresh icon. Nope. Move the .app somewhere else and back. Stronger, clear the user level icon cache. Did we not just do that? Nuclear, rarely needed. But does it move it back again if I do this? What do you know? No such directory. Where is Echo? He's here. So I drag and drop it into AI, and then I put it into Echo. It's the same. But this, I swear, this is what we just did. It's the way that you're faking all the tears in your eyes. And all I want is to find out what you're going through. Kill all dog. Kill. Oops. It's the same, bro. Okay, I'll just try and launch it, honestly. Guys, I'll just try and launch it. I launched the app. Nope, it's still the old icon. Okay.
First, tell me what the ICNS file looks like when you open it in preview. That's the real icon. Other play nuclear, rarely needed, log out.
Okay. Well, if it's lying to me in the Finder, it's also lying to me in the dock because I just double pressed on the Echo app, and in my Mac dock, it also shows the wrong icon. I did the command you provided twice and it doesn't work. So I don't know if you should just give up and come back tomorrow. I'm gonna put it at extra high because I'm getting annoyed. You're gonna crank up the usage, honestly. I think I've been chasing the wrong bug. Let me look at it more carefully. You just gotta crank it up, guys. So I can quit Echo. Hold up. I was solving the wrong problem. Let me explain what's happening. Finder icon configured correctly. Our applet is in place. The Finder shows the wrong. It's purely thumbnail cache. Dock icon. This is the bug I missed. Python is now running on its own. Echo app is gone. So what is it telling me? I don't know. I don't think it can solve this shit, guys. The proper fix is one I should have done from the start. Tell Python to hide itself from the dock. Yes. Yes. Do that fix now. Gonna chase the night with you. Tim the Tatman is streaming, so I think we'll watch that, guys. Okay, let's see if he fixes it. Yeah, we did. Okay, so he's telling me, fuck you, move on, and chase the W tomorrow, basically. That's what my coder buddy here is telling me. Well, it's, wow. Oh, okay. It's still working, but whatever. I give up. I don't want to spend more time or credits, tokens on this, honestly. Yeah. Oh no. Well, yeah, it's because I have to. Ah, yeah, it's because we don't use that anymore. I see. But then I can't. Like that. Okay. Okay, guys. I'm gonna call it for the night because, yeah, I'm just getting exhausted. My contacts are annoying me. And I just want to take my contacts out. I just want to eat some dinner. Maybe watch some stupid shows, you know. Play some Rivals or something. So, yeah. I will be back tomorrow because I'm not working tomorrow. So, big pox tomorrow. Unless I get another idea, like eventually I guess we'll get some bit more bigger projects. But I think it's important when you're just starting out and stuff to chase the small W's, at least if you're a person that has a hard time like chasing on, pursuing the bigger goals and projects. So I think it's important to focus on small wins and then just take it from there, you know. Just keep on going. So, yeah, that's it for today. Appreciate all of you that stopped by, Meow, and the guys on YouTube. Appreciate you guys. And yeah, I'll see you sometime tomorrow. I don't really know when, but I'll be back eventually tomorrow. Yeah, when I'm rested and fit. So yeah, time for bed. Take care, guys. I'll see you tomorrow.